Yeah, so first things first, let's see if there's any feed. Oh man, there is feed right now. Okay. So with the spectral feed, suppose we can go back to Ardenweald? Oh, hey, Magic Panther, thank you. Haven't seen you in a while.
Why would anyone walk anywhere? Another set.
Okay, so we have 9 minutes to get this one. Nice. I'm glad. I'm glad you're here even if you're not talking. Yeah, I was just reading on how I can get the fat cat soul. And it sounds like I messed up the first time. I probably could have gotten the chicken soul, went back, got the feed. If I was quick enough, then I could have gotten the fat cat soul. But it's okay. We got the feed a second time. We have to go to the basement of our covenant here, then meow at a cat, and then we're able to feed that cat this feed to make it into a plump little husky cat. And then that's it. Then we won't have to look for spectral feed in the future because there's only 2 creatures that you can do this with. Okay, so kitty cat, where you at? Okay, I think it's right here. Yep, perfect. Hey kitty. Alright, so we're gonna slash meow. He looks hungry. We're going to use our spectral feed on it. It didn't do anything. Wonder if there's another task. Okay, you will automatically learn the well-fed cat soul shape instead of receiving an item. Now if we go to Chufa, we should be able to confirm that. So if we talk to this little squirrel, we should know the soul shape for well-fed cat soul. Here it is. Well-fed cat soul, or well-fed cat. So we were able to get it, so now we have another soul for our uses. So kind of a fun one. Definitely a hidden thing I don't think a lot of people would know to go do.